To record from the editor, my students will click on the microphone. Then they will click on Start Recording. They will record their voice. Once they are done, they will click on Stop Recording. They can listen to their recording, and if they don't like it, they can record again. Or if they like it, they will click on Attach Recording button. My students will also record the video. To record the video, they will click on the video icon. They will follow the same steps. Start recording. Start recording. Stop recording and attach recording. But I am not going to show it because I need to fix the video settings on my hard drive. Thank you for watching this video.